Hi, Bert and Brian and everyone with Frey Electric. My name's Christian. I'm with RenGen SEO, local digital marketing agency. Just wanted to shoot this quick video for you, give you guys some free tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence on your own. Contrary to popular belief, your website can actually bring you leads in and of itself if done properly without paying outside services like Home Advisor and Angie's List. The three things we're going to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks today. I'm sure you guys are busy, so I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet. Content is first. So Google loves content. The more content you have, the better. Content is the words on your website, but it's not just the words. It's also the pictures on your website. What's behind the pictures, how the pictures are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so the minimum number of actual words you want on any page you're trying to rank is 1,500 words. But then, like I said, it's not just the words. So you want to make sure that all of your pictures are saved as buyer intent keywords, every single picture. So your main page doesn't have anywhere near the amount of words we want, which is fine. It's just a landing page. But then where the money comes in is on these service pages. So if we go to your commercial industrial, I know there's big bucks. I'm not sure where you guys specialize in, but your commercial industrial page, okay? You do have quite a bit more words, but still nowhere near that 1,500 mark. I'd say maybe 150, 200 max. So you're going to want to pump up the number of words, actual volume of words you have in your website. You're going to want to make sure to implement buyer intent keywords in there. Also, your photos. So if you click on this photo to save it, this photo is saved as just random numbers and letters. And the thing is that Google reads how these photos are saved. And so you want to make sure that all your photos are saved as buyer intent keywords. Cincinnati electricians, that would be one. Not random numbers and letters, because then it's not bringing you any value. Okay, the next thing is citations. So what citations are is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook. That would include Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. If you take a look, so I typed in Cincinnati electricians. We got Cooper Electric, Eller Electric, and Craftsman Electric. Okay, but the big, and this is really where you want to be. And you can get here through citations and through your Google My Business page. But the biggest thing I want to show you is Apollo. Okay, so Apollo Home Electricians. These guys are #1 spot for Cincinnati electricians. Okay, but yet they're not in the map pack. So maybe they're out of town, maybe they don't have a Cincinnati address. Whatever it is, their website has the correct content and backlinks to bring them to this #1 position. And that's the most important thing. They're not paying Angie's List for this. They're not paying Home Advisor for this. This is something that they input into their website. And so and everything that comes here isn't going to 3 different guys. These people are clicking on them and going to them. So this is really where you want to be. You want to be on the first page. And as you can see, we got Mr. Sparky, we got Cooper's on the first page, Burke. Okay, you guys aren't here. This is really where you want to be, and that has to do with citations, backlinks, and content. But for the map pack, it's citations. So the next thing is I have your Google My Business page pulled up. A couple things I want to point out. Congratulations on the reviews. So 21 reviews of the 4.6, definitely something to hold your head high to. Keep up the good work there. But we recommend 25 minimum. So you're going to want to keep pushing those reviews. I know how hard it is sometimes, and just keep pushing those reviews. You do have address, hours, and phone, so that's good. I would highly recommend, once you revamp up your website, to put your website in here to help drive traffic to your website through your Google My Business page. And then the only other thing is you have no photos. So the only photos is a location of your address, a map photo. What you're going to want to do is add 10 photos at least, and then you're going to want to make sure to save all those photos properly. And that's going to give you a nicer profile, more fulfilled profile, and that'll help you rank up for these in the map pack here. So other than that, keep up the good work. Last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that freyelectric.com is at on the internet is going to give you a backlink. You guys have 272 backlinks from 58 referring domains. But if you see here, your domain rating is only a 2.1. That's out of 100. So the biggest thing to remember with backlinks to help get your domain rating up, get your credibility up, is that you don't want your backlinks coming from spammy sites. You don't want your backlinks coming from sites that are irrelevant to the trade. So you want all your backlinks to be coming from sites that aren't spammy and sites that are relevant to electric company, okay, to what you do as a business. This is a tool we use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. It goes over a lot of information on your website. You can use that one. I'm sure there's others. Just do your homework and go in and remove some of these backlinks that aren't bringing you value. And I highly recommend adding some that do. Some backlinks are free, some backlinks aren't free. It just depends on how much time you're willing to take. So I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you take the time to implement these tips and tricks into your website to help bring you some more revenue using it, to help increase your online presence so that people are finding you through this website and the website's bringing you value. Any questions, comments, feedback, do feel free to get in touch with us. And I hope your 2021 is healthy and prosperous. And thank you very much for watching.